Jesus. Oh, fuck. This is crazy. Wait, where are you filming this from? A balcony! My apartment! It was Noah Cyrus? No, it wasn't! She's a gem! She's lovely! She wouldn't do this. No tears here, but I'm sure if shit the fire as well vomited will be safe. Look, you don't want to smell burnt vomit. Will you have to evacuate? Don't just film, go and put it out. Who are you, Kylie? Who are you? What the fuck is that? Is that the sun? Wait, what the fuck? Wait. Why did that? What? What just happened? Explosion? Guys, stop telling me to go help out. What the fuck am I gonna do? All that, what do you mean? Fill up a saucepan, I'll throw it. Like, I won't do shit. That's insane. You guys are out of your fucking minds. This is crazy. What is going on? Yeah, go help. Guys, if you see me beside a naked flame, protect me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll end up getting burnt. I can barely cook myself dinner. Donate money? What? To the fire? Where is it? Send me the links. What are you chewing on, you silly little dog? Gosh, my shoulders are hurting. Wait, we got a news update. The wind is supposed to be worse been. Oh, okay. No, yeah, the wind's been crazy today. Where's Harry? Harry's here. Quick and spread. Guys, what the fuck am I gonna do? What do you mean quick and spreading? Get on a plane here. We don't be seeing this in Australia, to be fair. Yes, we fucking do. Yes, we do. 2019, literally destroyed half of my town. I had to fly back. It's insane. Harry get a private jet and drop buckets of water? Are you out of your mind? You out of your mind. This is crazy. What are you saying? Ow. You guys are absolutely sick. Go toss a... Oh my God. My arm is hurting. Guys, I want to step outside. Let's see if it's windy. Okay, that's embarrassing. It was really windy before. I'm glad you've remained calm. I'm glad, look, I'm trying my best over here. Grab a hose? Cindy, why don't you grab a hose? I don't know. Where is this? What do you mean? Google right now. Get on Google. What city is currently on fire? Also, what city would Harry live in? Because it sure as fuck hasn't been Australia in the last 6 years. Bro, your stream is cutting out. Where in LA are you? Brother! Give me a break. There's a lot of cities on fire. All right, name 5 people. I mean, not 5 people. Name 5 cities on fire right now without Googling. Exactly. It's for a movie? Get the fuck out. It is not. What? Who the fuck would do this for a movie? It's a who? What? What is going on? How many brain cells have you got? This is a concert? Who is having a concert? The fucking devil? Jesus. Headed towards the ocean? Great! That's the perfect place for a fire. That is the best place for a fire to be, is in the ocean. It's a rom-com? Who are you? It's getting close. What? Oh my God. Like, remember that was going crazy over there. I thought that was the sun. Why are you flaring up, brother? Relax. You think it was me and Dom? Dom isn't even here. Dom's on Twitch somewhere, playing a dress-up game on Roblox. Oh, hey, from your poon. Shout out. Have you tried turning it on and off? Guys, I try to turn myself on and off. It doesn't work. Dom is in the fields with fire. No, he is not. Dom is in the snow, playing Dress to Impress. I gotta get out of here. This is fucking crazy. Guys, look at the traffic. This shit is nuts. We got Jesus. Shout out is hurting my shoulders. Why are they going towards the fire? Maybe they're gonna go help out with Cindy, huh? Maybe they're taking their bucket of water with Cindy and go to the fire. Why are you cold? Get inside, you sausage. Oh my God. Have you tried blowing it out? Hey, have you tried using your fucking brain? Jesus. God bless America. It looks under control. Really? It looks under control? It's... Are we doing evacuation vlog? Are you out of your mind, Scarlett? Evacuation vlog? It's a great idea. It's actually a really good idea. And knowing me, I would do it. But this is serious. This is serious. What are we doing? What are we doing? We thank you for your news, Weatherman Harry. Absolutely. Anytime. Stop with the green screen. Don, get out of town. Harry, I'll donate you some hoses so you can help. Ashley Mack, why don't you go help? Take your little hoses and get on the road. There is trained professionals that I'm sure are helping, but it doesn't seem like it because it's spreading very quick. We should go to Shakira's show in LA. You know what? I would love that. I would love that. Will it spread to the city? You know what? I have no idea. I'm sure at some point, if the fire doesn't get under control, I'm sure it's gonna spread to wherever it wants to go. Jesus! Never known as Jesus. can go towards the fire so we can see? Ashley, that's enough out of you. That's it. This is actually out of control. How close to Beverly Hills, Hollywood is it? I don't know. The full zoom, 15x it is. I'm 15x'd in. That's how close it is. Pacific Palisades. I don't know. Let's say 30 minutes. Maybe 2 days walking. Maybe half a day on a bike. Maybe 3 hours on a horse. I don't know. $30 minutes? All right. Is Holly Ridge Drive affected? I don't know who Holly Ridge is, but I hope she's safe. She's in my prayers. What's on fire? Maybe anything that will fucking burn. This is crazy. Oh, Holly Ridge is a street? Oh. Damn, well, R.I.P. Thoughts and prayers with Holly Ridge. Podcast today was the best one yet. Thank you, Jesus. Is it real? Hi from Europe. Hi from Europe. Yeah, how could I possibly make this up? How could I possibly create this? I'm not an AI wizard. Not yet anyway. The sunset is pretty. It's a fire. The hills are on fire. Shit is crazy. Get a fire extinguisher? Sophie, get a brain. What do you mean? The fuck am I gonna do? Why is there a penguin there? We now know where he lives. Yeah, everyone fucking does. It's the easiest place to figure out in LA. Pull the fuck up. Bruce! Bruce, don't pee, brother. Don't you dare pee, Bruce. Bruce! Don't you dare pee. Harry, I think it's a light show. I think your brain is a light show. What do you mean? It's a chicken. Woo! California having fires again? No, it isn't. It's happening a rain shower. That's what we're filming. Snowing in LA. All right, the winds are going bananas. Can you hear this shit? What is... Can you hear the winds? Look at that. This is AI. This is AI? Mandy, get a grip, sister. All right, I'm gonna blow away. All right, I gotta go. This is crazy. All right, love you guys. Be safe. Make sure what the fuck was that noise? Make sure you watch the podcast. Enjoy. I'll keep you following me on Snapchat for the updates because this is fucking crazy. Woo!